Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do my version of a simple glam for the children. Charity wear. Don't worry, this is not my simple glam makeup look. That is coming though. So I'm going to be doing a gingerbread makeup look that is inspired by... If you guys would like to, please go check her out. She does amazing makeup. So first I'm going to start off with actual foundation. Wow, can you guys imagine? I'm not using clown white for once in my life. I really need to stop doing my makeup at midnight, but like, who gonna check me? My sleeping schedule, that's who. But anyways, I always tell myself I'm gonna start filming at like 3 p.m. and whatnot, and then I start filming at 3 a.m. Alrighty, next I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shoppy Toppy. Literally, I don't know who thought Shape Tape was a good name. I don't know what tape has to do with this, but I'm setting this with Fenty Beauty setting powder. I'm just being like really quick about it because I don't want to crease. When I crease, I look weird as hell because I look 12 and then my skin looks 80. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead. I'm applying a lot of powder and a lot of concealer because it looks better on camera. So if you're gonna recreate this look in person, do not add as much concealer and setting powder as I am. I wish more people said that. Alrighty, next I'm gonna contour and bronze. I kind of do both in the same step with the Becca bronzer. Oh my god, I almost died. Joke's on you, it's already broken. But anyways, I used to bronze my entire face with layers of this stuff. And I had an incident at a makeup event. I don't even know who I hugged, but all I remember was that he was really important. When I hugged him, he was wearing a white shirt. So when I hugged him, like half of my face just came off on his like shirt, and oh my god, I still think about it to this day. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. But yeah, it only took me an entire product of bronzer to realize that I was bronzing too much. So there's a lot more to my nose contour than literally just two little lines. I first go in really harshly with some brown, and then once I have the specific shape that I want, I'll go in with a brightening powder and I'll just start brightening up the areas that I think need brightening. So I'll bring out the center of my nose, and I'll just blend in the contour itself to make it look a lot less harsher. And then since I'm covering it with the skin tone powder, it makes it look even more realistic because it actually starts to look like a genuine actual shadow that your skin has and not just like powder put onto your face, if that makes sense. I really like this method because it works and it also makes my contour look a lot less harsh, and I definitely have a problem with that. And it's really forgiving, which is something that I need in life right now. Something I've been doing recently as well is I do my blush on my contour. I'm going a little harsher than usual just because this is a full beat. Alrighty, so next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. I'm going to pack on the light brown shade in the center of my eye. And next I'm going to add some definition with the dark brown shade. I'm just going to trail that down just a little with my under eye. And then now I'm just going to add some gold shimmer to the lid. And then next I'm going to make a white winged eyeliner with the Drug Lord liquid lip. We drying. Next I'm going to grab some red Mayron paint and I'm going to make little candy cane lines. I love how I said I was going to make this easy on y'all and then I actually started doing something really hard. What did you guys expect, honestly? Like, and then next I'm going to go with some NYX eyeliner. I'm going to make the actual eyeliner this time. And then next I'm going to add some Voluminous Lash Paradise. I still have yet to find some fake lashes that I actually 100% like, so I will not be applying fake lashes. I'm just going to do this eye off of camera and I'll be right back. We snapped. So if you're a human in society, you'll probably stop the look right here and it looks really cute, really simple. However, I'm going to keep on going because I am me. And I'm going to add some dark yellow blush to my face. I'm also just going to add a little bit underneath my chin, because why not? Next I'm going to grab Drug Lord and I'm going to trace out the little shapes of gingerbreads and gumdrops that I want. So I caught myself almost doing it off camera, so I just stopped where I was, and I'm just going to show you how I did this one. Honestly, I just did like a little X, and then I just made like the head connect. So these hearts are a little crooked, but honestly, so is mine. So anyways, next I'm going to grab some of the brown cream paint and I'm going to fill in the gingerbreads and the hearts. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna start adding some little white speckles. Now that it's dry, I'm gonna go back in and clean everything up and add minor little details to the gingerbread. I messed up his face. Now he looks depressed. Me on social media versus me in real life. Oh my god. Lastly, I'm just gonna do my lips and I'm going to scrub them first with the Jeffree Star lip scrub. Next, I'm gonna use my Kylie Jenner One Wish lip kit. I low-key applied too much. And then next I'm gonna apply my gloss on my lips. Alrighty, this is the final look. We just really have to appreciate the finer details for a second. Honestly, if you're really extra, you could get away with doing this on Christmas Day if you want to. I know it's really shocking to see me as a human, but unfortunately I am one of those things. But not gonna lie, I'm really living for this. I've been digging a lot of browns recently, like even with my eyes and my hair. If you guys don't already, please go follow me on my Instagram. If you guys like my energy, if you guys like my art, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the future. Cue the montage.